Okay guys, welcome back to a new video. Hi mate. We are on a different bike, as you can see. For those that follow me on Instagram, you have already seen the teaser. I am riding a KTM 1290 GT. This bike is like a touring version of the 1290R. It has a lot of power, 170 horsepower. So compared to my Nuda, it's much more. My Nuda has 113 horsepower. So, I mean, this is powerful. I've test ridden it yesterday for an hour, and the sound is amazing. A lot of pops and cracks, which my Nuda doesn't do. So I'm totally addicted to this. Shifting downwards is just great. You'll hear it later. And yeah, so this bike is from a follower / subscriber, and he was so kind to borrow me his bike for the weekend. And so for those people that want to see their own bike on YouTube but don't have the equipment to do so, or just don't want to make a video themselves, you can ask me. I'll be happy to ride your bike. You have to be in the Netherlands though, and preferably in the area of Amsterdam. And I'll ride your bike, I'll do a review of it, what I think, looks, and then you can enjoy the content of your own bike. So yeah, let me know in the comments, or the best thing to get a hold of me is just DM me on Instagram. So yeah, we're just gonna go around a bit of Amsterdam, so you get a feel of the bike, how it rides. Also, I think I'll do a small, very short part on the highway. We'll see about that. And then I'll stop at a nice location and I'll show you the bike. But yeah, so now we're just cruising. So let me tell you about the equipment on this bike. So as you can see, he has the mount for the tom-tom and the quad lock. So unfortunately I cannot use them because I have SMP Connect, but who cares? I know Amsterdam by heart, so I don't really need it. This bike has adaptive, not adaptive, but just general cruise control. You can set it here on the right. It's very easy to use. The button here on top is to turn it on and off. And so you have sports mode, urban mode, and comfort mode, both for the engine and the springs. This bike is equipped with heated grips, heated seats, and heated seat for the passenger, so very luxurious. You can put this one up and down too, and you can have some luggage bags that you can attach to the bike too. If you like the 1290R from KTM, I don't know if I'm saying it right actually, but the Hyper Naked from KTM. If you want that, but you want also be able to like tour and go on road trips with your bike, you have to pick this one, because it's the same engine, just a little bit less horsepower, but you get all the luxurious stuff you need for touring. So, and it's pretty easy to ride in the city too. Yesterday I did some filtering, not a problem. It's not much wider. I think it's maybe even less wide than the Nuda, like the handlebars. So filtering is definitely also possible. So yeah, very, very dope bike. At the moment I don't have much more to say. But yeah, I'm done with all the specs, I think. Otherwise I'll put all the specs on the screen also for you to see. Yeah, you hear these pulse, bro, they're so good. It's about 14 degrees now outside. So perfect riding weather for in the city, not too hot. Oh damn, bro. That surprised me, that was close. Look, everyone's sitting outside with the shades in the sun. Just fucking good vibes. Look at the trees, they're getting green finally. So yeah, the Nuda is broken at the moment. The rear rim is broken, so I'm trying to fix a new one. That will take us some time. But that's why in the meantime I can ride your bikes. we have here? Subway. My favorite lunch spot. Oh, look how fast it is. Ooh, a quick wheelie. A quick wheelie. Well, this bike is easy to handle too. To be fair, the turning radius is much smaller than a Nuda, but that's just because the Nuda has a really small turning radius. You can turn the handlebars really far, which is really nice, so that's why I like the Nuda for the city. And generally, bikes don't turn that far, but that's what I was noticing yesterday when I was filtering, like, I couldn't turn in that far. Come on, it should be green now. Yes, let's go. Armored cop car. Look, filtering is no problem. I just fit through here. There you go. Such a deep growl, I love it. Look at the chopper. They're coming for us, guys. Watch out. Ah, it's not a police helicopter. We're good, we're good. Yes, go ahead. Oh, you hear that? Yes, I think you do. Those were some nice pops. Okay, I'm gonna turn right here. Oh guys, this is a spot where I met Ducati biker. He was standing in this lane and I was in this lane. And we were complimenting each other's bikes, and then from that day on, that year, we met up almost every day to ride, bar hopping. That was dope. That was like the best riding summer I had, and I really miss it. Unfortunately, Ducati biker is now in the US, but I'm sure he'll come pass by sometime to Amsterdam again to visit. And if the Nuda is not broken, then. Oh, nice socks. The rainbow socks. Oh, you know what? We're gonna get a smoothie at Petit Delis. I feel like it. I haven't eaten anything today yet, so maybe that's a good thing to do. Okay, we're almost at Petit Delis. Look at them girls on the scooters, bro. Always good, always good. No foot down challenge. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, fuck, fuck. Cyclists. No foot down challenge, no foot down challenge, no foot down challenge, no foot down challenge. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, we're almost there. I have to concentrate because there's a lot of people. Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Bro, oh, it's fucking busy, is it? But just a fucking smoothie should be fine to get. Okay, we're gonna do sound check in the tunnel. Be ready, be ready. Okay, bro, that's good, bro. That's a solid, very solid sound. Deep, raw, and then when you shift back, you have pops and crackles. Perfect. Yeah, so what I'm gonna get, I'm gonna go to the shop. They should have like a patch that you put on your left foot for shifting, so you can wear your nice shoes while riding without ruining your shoe. So for example, also white shoes. So I really wanted to get that. It's just like $10, so it's perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna you put it on set. Oh wait, first you turn it on, then you put it on set. It will take the speed that you have. Yes, like this, and then you can just plus. Look, and then There it says the speed you set it on, and there is the speed you're actually doing. So now I put it on 100, and it's always doing 1 kilometer an hour more than you set it on, sometimes. I don't know why it does that, but look at this, hands-free. No worries, well for long rides this is dope. Bro, these pops are constant, bro. Pa 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 pa, like mini gunshots the whole time. This bike has quick shift up, no quick shift down. Let's see. Look at this, guys. Twin brother almost. Oh, the H2n Racing exhaust. Oh, this bike is insane. But this is like the 2020 model. Bro, this is just insane. Compared to that one, this has more power and the sound is insane, but this one is really good too. This one is the better one for practical, in a practical way. That one is just a racing machine. That's insane. Maybe one day, but to be honest, KTM, I like their bikes, but I only hear stories about a lot of maintenance. So I don't know if I want to get involved in that. Oh my god, guys, this is fucking addictive. Oh, bro! We just did it did a power wheelie, like a baby power wheelie, but it still did one, bro. With my Nuda, I cannot do that. Or like, it's really hard to do it with the Nuda. Ooh, look, our best friends, the cops. Always salute them, no matter what. Pay respect. Oh, bro, it's fucking busy here. Why the fuck is it so busy? What's going on here? Bro. Masses of people. Oh, it's like a market, that's why. The KTM 1290 Super Duke GT. Side profile, very good, love it. In my opinion, the front, not so much, like the headlight is a bit too big, too much glass, but I mean, you get a lot of bike for what you pay, I think. I'm trying to lower this. I don't exactly know how it works. Don't want to break it either. Ah, okay. Comes with everything, the Acra, the heated grips, the heated seats, cruise control. It's a very good bike. Very good bike. Can do road trips. You have a lot of power if you want to ride fast, accelerate fast. You can do all that. No problem. This one has an alarm too. I mean, I'm really liking this bike. I'm really liking this bike at the moment. But for me to get this bike would be a big thank you to Sven, who borrowed me the bike for the weekend. Really love you, mate, bro, because at the moment I don't have a bike and this brings joy to me just to be able to ride with this nice weather. By the way, as you can see, Brembo brakes, very nice. Love that touch. I'll put up Sven's Instagram on the screen. Give him some love, give him a follow. Thank him for sharing his bike with us. This is the end of the video, guys. I have nothing more to say. But if you still have a question, let me know in the comments or write me on DM on Instagram. If you want me to ride your bike, write me on Instagram. Send a picture of your bike, and I will consider you. I already got requests from people. I have maybe a MT-07 on the line. Drop a like, that I would really appreciate to boost the algorithm. And of course, please subscribe if you don't follow me yet. That would help me out a lot. Then I can make more of these kind of videos. I get more followers. I'm able to get more bikes, maybe even very expensive bikes, who knows. Okay, so guys, I cut here. Peace out. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Maybe next week I'll have another bike to ride, to review. So yeah, thank you. Bye.
Night, day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night.